Doctor, you need to calm down. I don't need you turning into your evil self. We don't want that. Alright. I'm good. I'm good. Good. Nostalgia critic. Alright, fine. I'll do this by myself. Like I always do. Where the heck is he? Hello? Master? I'm here. Come get me. I want some answers right now!
Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey.
Master?
That's my name. Don't wear it out.
What happened to the other one?
Indisposed.
Funny.
Don't laugh at my jokes. Struggle all you want.
Hello, Master. What a pleasant surprise.
What's so funny?
Oh,
What's so funny?
do it again. Again.
I'm going to kill you, you know. You like my new lair?
I do. It looks beautiful.
I got it from a friend named the Joker.
Oh yeah, I remember him.
Of course you do.
Yes.
So, this prophecy. Why didn't I hear about it?
I'm not telling you. Why would I ever tell you?
Because I control everything.
Can you at least let me go and I'll tell you everything I know?
No, because I'm afraid. You. Did you miss me? Who is this clown?
Shoot him!
I'm not a clown. I'm the worst nightmare, bitch. Why didn't it affect you?
Wonka! Whoa. Whoa. Stop! Stop!
Whoa. I was afraid of this. Doctor, get in the TARDIS right now!
Are you gonna be okay?
Yes, everything will be fine. Just go in the TARDIS.
Alright, I'm going.